Doom.
Found you again!
You're done hurting this world.
I don't know what's got second sister thinking you're so important. She likes her souvenirs, but I'm not in it for the memories, and honestly, you're not worth my time. So let's make this quick! Almost felt that! Scared of getting burned?
Not bad for trash.
What about for a Jedi?
Is there a difference?
That was nothing! That's one for me! Get over here! We're not done! Is that all you got?
It's over.
Being an Inquisitor taught me no setback is too great. When you've already lost yourself, a limb's easy. You know, I was a Jedi. It'd be fun to bring you in. Watch you crack like the rest of us! Oh, angers you. Just wait till the isolation, torture, mutilation, and your dread!
I won't let you touch them.
You can't stop the Empire!
I can stop you.
Oh!